Place the driveshaft joint 36F between the two tabs at the end of driveshaft 2, 36D. And secure it with 2 EP screws. Connect the two tabs at the end of driveshaft 1, 36E with the driveshaft joint 36F as shown in the picture. Secure the parts with 2 EP screws. Retrieve the gearbox output shaft assembly from issue 12 and place the transmission crosshead 12E between the two flanges at the free end of driveshaft 1, 36E. Secure it with 2 EP screws. Insert the gearbox output shaft 12D into the gearbox casing assembly, 11A and 12A. Check that the driveshaft 2, 36D is properly inserted into the differential coupling piece 31I. Fit the exhaust pipe heat shield 4, 36A into the 4 highlighted holes in the chassis center and rear section 22A. Place the muffler heat shield 36C over the 2 highlighted holes in the chassis center and rear section 22A and secure it with 2 IM screws. Finally, turn the chassis over and position the fuel inlet pipe 36B on the 2 highlighted holes in the chassis center and rear section 22A. Secure the pipe with 2 IM screws. Place the fuel tank inspection cap 37C on the circular part of the fuel tank top cover 37A. Turn the fuel tank cover over and secure the inspection cap with an AP screw. Insert the lambda sensor bracket 38E into the two highlighted holes in the catalytic converter 38A. Place the catalytic converter heat shield 1, 38B over the catalytic converter 38A. And secure it with 2 TP screws. Attach the catalytic converter heat shield 2, 38D to the exhaust pipe 1, 38C with an AP screw through the highlighted hole. Position the tab with a hole on the catalytic converter to exhaust pipe 2 to 3 bracket 38F on exhaust pipe 1, 38C. And secure it with the CP screw. Finally, connect the catalytic converter 38A to the two highlighted holes in the exhaust pipe 1, 38C.